Good morning, students. Welcome back to mathematics class. In this session, we will continue the chapter percentage and we will learn about converting percent into a fraction, converting percent into a decimal number, and finding the percent of a number. So let us begin our class with the first topic, that is converting percent into a fraction. To convert percent into a fraction, we remove the percent and divide it by 100. Students, you remember that to add percent, we are multiplying by 100, and to remove percent, we will divide by 100. So let us see few examples of this question. Question number 1. Convert 15% into a fraction. Solution. 15% is equal to 15 by 100. After that, we will check, is there any common factor which can divide both 15 and 100? Yes, we can see that 15 and 100 both are multiples of 5, and 5 is a common factor of 15 and 100. So we will divide 15 by 5 in 3 times and 100 by 5 in 20 times. So answer will be 3 by 20. Look at second example. Convert 4.5% into a fraction. 4.5 is a mixed number. So first we will convert into improper fraction. So 4.5, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9 by 2%. Now, to remove this percent sign, we will divide it by 100. So, 9 by 2 divided by 100. Now, 9 by 2 into 1 by 100. Okay. So, 9 into 1, 9, and 2 into 100, 200. Numerator will be multiplied, and denominator will be multiplied. If there will be any common factor, then we will divide. But we can see here there is no any common factor. So simply we will multiply 9 into 1 and 2 into 100. So finally the answer will be 9 by 200. So students, note down these both examples in your notebook. Second topic is converting percent into a decimal number. So to convert a percent into a decimal number, again we will divide the percent by 100 and then write it in decimal. Okay, so note down this in your copy. Now look at these examples. Example 1. Convert 4% into decimal. Very simple. First we will remove percentage sign by dividing it by 100. So let us divide it by 100. 4 divided by 100 is equal to 4 by 100. Now we can see in denominator there is 100. And in 100 there are 2 zeros. It means after 2 digits there will be decimal point. So first we will note down numerator, and numerator is 4. So we will make it 3-digit number by putting 2 zeros. So we can write it as 004. Now 2 zeros are in denominator. So after 2 digits we will put decimal point. So its answer will be 0.2. 0.04. Now look at question number 2. Convert 185% into decimal. Again what we will do? We will divide it by 100. And after dividing, we will see that there are 2 zeros in 100. So we will put decimal point after 2 digits from the right side. So the answer will be 1.85. So note down these both examples in your notebook. Third topic is finding the percent of a number. To find the percent of a number, we have to know the fraction equivalent to percent. So let us discuss about this. 50%, it means half. We can say 1/2 part. 25% means quarter. That is 1/4 part. 20% means 1/5 or 1/5 part. How will we get 1/5 part? When we will divide 20 by 100, 20% is equal to 20 by 100. Then 21 ja 20, 25 ja 100. We will get 1/5. Okay. Now 200% means double or 2 times. 300% means triple or we can say 3 times. So note down this in your notebook. Let us see few examples. First example, 30% of 400. So first we will convert percent into a fractional number. So 30% will be written as 30 by 100 and of means multiplication. So 30 by 100 into 400. Now we will check, is there any number which is common in numerator and denominator? Yes, we can see here that in 400 and in 100, 100 is common factor. So we can divide 400 and 100 by 100. Also we can do like this, 30 and 100 we can select a common factor. So in 30 and 100, 10 is common, so we can divide both by 10 also. So after cancelling 400 and 100, we will get 30 into 4 as numerator and 1 as denominator. So finally we will get the answer as 120. Let us see another example. 25% of 120. So 25% will be written as 25 by 100. Of will be written as multiplication and then 120. Now in 25 and 100 there is a common factor and that is 25. So we will cancel both by 25. 25 ones are 25 and 25 4 times 100. So we will get 1/4. 1/4 into 20. Now numerator we will multiply. So we will get 120 into 1 is equal to 120 and in denominator there is 4. Finally 120 by 4 and we will get the answer as 30 when we will divide 120 by 4. So note down this also in your notebook. Students, exercise 6.4, question number 1. Find the percent of the following. You will do this question in your maths notebook. Thank you, children.